Some mornings, it feels like the buildings run you. Late rent, leaky ceilings, endless emails. Your choices? Drown in spreadsheets or hand over a chunk of your income. Neither feels great. Meet Rentelio, your AI sidekick that slashes busy work and puts you back in control. Rentelio works wherever your properties do. US, Canada, Jamaica, the UK, Australia, you name it. Tenants pay in seconds, and funds land in your account automatically. Send leases they sign on any device. Zero paper, zero courier drama. Need a repair? Our AI finds the right pro, tracks the job, and keeps everyone looped in. Real-time insights show what's working, so problems never snowball. Owners everywhere already save hours each week with Rentelio. Ready to ditch the chaos? Book your free demo and see how simple property management can be with Rentelio.